Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. I found the brand new Toro Loco, the new casting, the new tool. There it is, the back of it, Monster Jam, guys. 2025, of course. Doesn't say, but this is the 2025. Basically, all I need for this mix is Velociraptor and the Megalodon training truck, and I have them all. These two I need, and I'm done. That was quick. There's Toro Loco, guys. New tooling. Looks a lot thinner than a normal one. It even feels different too. You put the light on it. So here it is, the Toro Loco. Isn't that cool? The BKT printing. Flames are a lot different. The nose ring, it's like a lot more thinner. The front, it's like flatter. The horns are a bit longer. And there's a teeth, has less teeth than before. Monster Jam logo, Toro Loco. Toro Loco, monsterjam.com is the thin back as well. Orange rims and beadlocks, black roll kit, gray chassis. Yeah, pretty cool. That's all I got today, guys. Hoping to get there too and find them. And going to Mix 41 whenever it comes out. Like, subscribe, comment, share. There's more videos coming soon. Peace out. Oh, before I go, I like this casting a lot, but I like the original better. But this one's pretty cool for me too. Peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed.